Okay, let's finish looking at parts D, E, and F for the situation about our percentage of total music sales. So in part D, we want to know the vertical intercept. If you recall, vertical intercept is something of the order pair 0, comma, some output value. So 0 Z, and then we have some output value. And so when we look at our table, we see that our table has the order pair 0 and 24.15. So then we want to write the meaning. And again, we need an input part of the statement and an output part. So 0 represents the year in the year 2008. So you can say at year 0 or in 2008, either way. So I'm just going to write in 2008. 24, oops, let me put that in green and in my output color. So 24.15% of total sales were from downloaded music. So now, will there be a horizontal intercept? Well, let's think about this. Horizontal intercept, so our graph is going upward. Okay, so when we connected these points, you've drawn in and your graph will be going upward. If we have a horizontal intercept, so let's think about this. Horizontal intercept is when we know an input value, some input value, and with an output value of 0. And so this would mean, again, this is the percentage, and this is the year, or years since. So is there at any point in time during this time period that we would have 0%? So no, because there is no year between 2008 and what was our ending year over here? 2015. When the percentage was 0. Okay, so that we wouldn't have a horizontal intercept. So now we want to think about what is the practical domain. So the practical domain, again, is our years, or years since. So we know this is going between 2008 and 2015. So we need 0 is less than its continuous. So we're going to, is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 2015 after 2008 is going to be 7 years. Okay, so now our practical range is our percentages based on our practical domain. So we know in year 0, we had 24.15 is less than or equal to P, which is less than or equal to, and now we need to know what year 7 is. And so year 7 we have is 71.75. And so that would be our practical domain and practical range.